Hello, I'm Dr. John Hancock, Executive Dean of McGovern Medical School. McGovern Medical School's Department of Orthopedic Surgery plays a critically important role in keeping athletes of all levels on the playing field. The department and its faculty have had a long-standing relationship with our very own Houston Texans NFL team, providing care for the most elite athletes. McGovern Medical School is honored to partner with the NFL for a new program, the NFL Diversity in Sports Medicine Pipeline Initiative. This initiative allows medical students to complete a clinical rotation with NFL club medical staff to gain basic medical knowledge and exposure to patient care in sports medicine. Let's learn more about this unique program from our orthopedic surgery leaders and our first student participant, Annalisa Narrow.
What led me to be interested in orthopedic surgery was, I'm sort of a cliche in the sense that I tore my ACL, but not so much of a cliche that I tore my ACL 3 times. And so that was my first exposure to orthopedic surgery, working alongside with my orthopedic surgeons, going through rehab, getting back to the sport that I loved, ultimately playing in college at the University of Texas at Dallas. And then in my first and second years of medical school, going in to help out with the trauma load at Memorial Hermann in the Texas Medical Center. That firsthand exposure to orthopedics and trauma care and acute care for patients, that just sort of pulled me in even further. And so now I'm excited to apply to orthopedic surgery. Being able to see sports medicine at this highest level in the NFL is definitely something that is intriguing to me. And again, my sports background, being able to see how each different team works together, the athletic trainers, the orthopedic surgeons, and the primary care physicians. That's what I'm most excited about.
The program, I think, is a very unique program. The inception was last year. Annalisa, day to day, she's at the team facility. She spends the majority of her time with the team and the sports medicine staff, which again encompasses a large group of people. She is shadowing various physicians, again, orthopedic surgeons and internists in clinic, and shadowing in the operating room, again, to give her probably an early exposure on what we do and what potential options might be there for her in her future.
She has an incredible rotation where she gets to come in the locker room, the training room, visit with the docs, travel with the doctors, watch the trainers, do anything from examine players, treat players, ankle wraps, on to diagnosing injuries and all that. She'll follow trainers around. She follows Dr. Flores, one of the orthopedic doctors, myself, and gets an incredible experience. She goes over there about 5:45 in the morning, starts early, watches everything they do from breakfast training, getting going, how to prepare for a game versus practice. And I mean, it's an incredible experience for her to get to do. The NFL's really pushed to have a diversity program to let people at a young age get involved and, see if they like this, if this is something they want to do. I think it'll be a huge hit, around the country, that people really want to do this. I don't know how many applications they had for her spot, but I bet it's a lot more next time they do it.
Providing our students opportunities to learn medicine at the highest levels is the goal of McGovern Medical School. This initiative with the NFL and the Houston Texans provides our students first-hand experience in a high-performing healthcare team. Thank you for joining me for this episode of Hancock's Headlines.